Hello composers, Mike here. Would you like to quickly and easily try out different track alternatives for your MIDI and audio performances? Let me show you how right now. I will also give you a bonus tip in the end of this video. So let's say you have a simple beat like this. And you're not really happy with your bass line. Well, what do you do? Well, you could delete this and try another thing. You could also perhaps temporarily move it away, but there could be other parts here in the way and that would become really messy. So if you want to try something different without actually deleting this first version, you want to use the Track Alternatives feature in Logic Pro X. The way to access this is that you first right-click in the upper part of a track here, so you can choose Configure Track Header. And here you need to turn on Track Alternatives, which is off by default. And now if you watch closely, there's a little icon here, an arrow up and down, which is the alternatives. Right now, there's no alternative because I have only created one. Well, now you can choose New here, and voila, this is gone. No, it's the A alternative. So now you can record something completely different for the bass line. Let's do that. Like so. And listen back to it. And let's say you're not really happy with that either. You can either add a new one, or let's say you found out that you actually liked the first version. Simply click here, left click here and choose A, and we're back with this. Now we can switch and listen back to the different alternatives you create, and you can do this on any track. And by the way, it also works on audio tracks, for example your vocals or guitars, etc. Now here's my bonus tip for you, which I personally use in my composing workflow, and it relies on actually naming the regions for your chord progression. So I have gone into here and then split these chords into different regions so I can now rearrange them. Now here's the cool bonus trick. You can actually use the duplicate here, which creates a duplicate of the first version, and now you can try rearranging the chords here. Let's say you start with A flat and then go to here and, well, do whatever you want. Try a different chord progression, and or should you go with the first one? You can see that this is a really cool way to actually try out different ways to sequence your chords. Please like, share and comment on this video to support my channel, and I will see you in the next video, my friends.